Hello everyone and welcome on my channel. So today I will speak about this expert advisor. So I will give you some information how to use Quark, what is the Quark, how to find Quark, where to find sets for trading and so on. So basically if you visit this page on the MQL5, you will find some basic information here, or if you want to know more, click on this link below and you will be redirected on my website and on the topic regarding this expert. So in the comment section you will find a lot of settings. You will find a lot of sets file, but these sets are published before 2 years. I'm not right now. I'm not check any of these sets, and I don't know how these sets work for this year. So in the coming days, I will publish new sets for trading, and I will publish here inside this comment section. So how to find Quark? Simply. All links can be found in the description below this video, or you can go to MQL5 website in the market section, and in the search bar type the name of the EA and click enter, so you will find this expert immediately. So I will show you right now what is the Quark. Okay, as I say, these are last version. These experts have only one signal, as you can see here at the bottom. So it's very easy to use, and I think there will be no problem to learn how to use this expert. So firstly, if you're watching this video, I will explain everything, so it will be easy to use and easy to optimize this EA. So firstly, these experts have three options for money management. One option is invisible, and they have two visible options. So if this two option is inactive, like right now, so expert will open micro lots, and if you activate some of these inputs, for example for this second money management system, then you will activate these two inputs below. So these are fixed lot size, and first is money management is in percent. So if you activate this money management system, you must insert some risk in percent here, and you must insert in this field some decrease factor. So this field must be filled, because expert will not work. So next input is exit rules. These experts have two options for exit rules. They have a stop loss and take profit option calculated in points, and second rule is entry exit rules based on the signal rules. You will find here some range. I give you some range here if you are optimize this EA. So for example, you can start with minus 200, step will be, I don't know, 10, and stop will be 200 or 100, everything what you want. So maybe the best range will be between 10 and 100, and step will be, I don't know, 5 or 10. So you can use both option. You can use both option, or you can use only one. For example, you can use this option instead of these two. So by default, this option is first option is used stop loss and take profit. Next, this expert open all type of order. So you can open market order, you can open this expert can open limit order or stop order. So everything depends what is the how this field is this input is optimized. So for example, I give you some example here. For example, if you want to this expert open a market order, simply click the 0 and this second field below expiration pending order in bars must be 0 because we are decide to use market order. So if we decide to use stop order, this number must be lower than 0. For example, I don't know, minus 100. And after that, you can use this option to tell you this expert for how much bar will be order this order will be expire. Next, how to open a limit order, buy or sell limit. Limit order, if you want a limit order, this number must be higher than 0, greater than 0. So for example 100, and insert here some number. For example, you want this order expire for one bar. So everything depends on which time frame you use. For example, if you are optimized DZA for 50 minutes, so each bar is 50 minutes. So for example, that's mean if I use 1, this order will be expire for 50 minutes. So next rules are trailing stop rules. Currently these experts have two options for trailing. I think 3 options for trailing. Sorry. We have a trailing rule based on the fixed stop level. So if we activate this option like so, double click here, we are decide to trail our stop loss for 100 points, and also we have decided to trail our take profit. So if you don't want to use some of these inputs, simply leave 0 here. Next, we have trailing rules based on the moving average indicator. You can activate or deactivate like so. You can use all these rules at the same time and everything will be work properly. So we have next rules is trailing rules based on the SAR indicator. Also you can activate or deactivate like so. Everything depends on the optimization process. For example, you don't need to use any of these rules, but you must use some of these rules for entry-exit rules. So don't forget that. Now we have some additional inputs such as magic number and everything or slash. You will see slash here, new bar. So what this input means? So if this everything is false, so that's mean this expert will work on the bar open. If this input is true, then all expert will work on the everything. So you can try any of these solution. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, we have only one strategy. These are strategy based on the adaptive moving average indicator. So we have some period here. We have fast EMA and slow EMA. So always take care when you optimize DZA because when you using start, step and stop, because fast EMA must be lower number instead of this fast EMA. What I say? Fast EMA must have the lower number, and slower EMA must have the greater number than this fast. So for example, if you want to optimize one of both inputs, so simply choose for example from 1 to 50 this fast EMA, and for slow EMA use from 50 up to, I don't know, 200, and use some steps, for example 5, 10, and so on, what you want. Everything depends what you want. Also you must take care about this input time frame. So if you are using, for example, if you are testing some set file, or if you want to optimize on the open price only, you can choose this current period, or you can, for example, choose 1 hour, or I don't know, 50 minutes. But in that case, period for optimizing must be, time frame for optimizing must be the same like on this input. So don't forget, because on the open price only, then you will if this period is different, you will got some error in the journal section. Now I think that will be all for this everything you need to know for this EA. Now I can show you what I have for my. I start working on as I say, I start working on the new set file. So it's a long process to get a fine set file. So I will only show you what I have for now. Just a second to find anything, everything. Just a second. Where is my sets? Okay. As you can see here, there is a lot of data, but right now I'm not satisfied with any of these given data. So these are testing on all currency pairs. This file is optimization process and so on. So I will show you right now. For example, so some optimization is forward optimization in most cases. Just a second. Okay. Please pay attention on this field, shape ratio, recovery factor, and drawdown. So these inputs must be for example must have some nice number here. So if you don't know what this field means, go to the help and click here help topics, and you will find here information what this field means. So if you are choosing biggest profit, that it's and this field it's not okay, so maybe that is not the best choice to use biggest profit. So if you have a lower number here, so that means the strategy, they have a biggest profit, but recovery factor, for example, is bad. So that's mean when these strategies start losing money, it's very hard to recovery and start making money again. So that's recovery factor means. I will show you, for example, these settings, how these settings work. So don't forget these are forward result. Sorry for this. I'm not. I will disable this sound. Okay. Now I will turn off this forward. I will change the date, and I will use I don't know, this year, because I want to set for trading for this year, and I will see right now how this set work for this and last year. Just a second to set the date. Okay, now I will check this set. It's not okay, it's a very bad set, but that does not mean that this set will not work nicely on the other currency pairs. For example, you can retest this set on all available currency pairs inside your market watch, like so. For some reason this set can be optimized on all currency pairs. Just a second. I will use another one. So as you can see here, there is a lot of testing. So just a second to find some nice testing data. No. Just a second. I think I have pretty nice optimization for some currency pairs. I will pause the video to find this set, because I have a lot of information here. Okay, I finally found this testing data. So as you can see, I have a lot of data here. It's very hard for me to find some good testing data. So I will try this one. I think will be okay. Okay, so I need to check a period. Okay, I tested for 5 minutes time frame. Okay, let's check how this second currency pair work on the 5 minutes time frame. So as you can see here, shape ratio is pretty good. Recovery factor is also nice. Drawdown it's almost 4%. So it's for Euro, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. It's no. Just a second. What I'm doing here? For Australian dollar, US dollar. Sorry. So what? It's a. But I check US dollar, Swiss franc. Okay, on the 5 minutes. It's okay. Now let's try this one. So all this year and the last year is out of sample data. Know that. Okay, I will work more on these sets. So I just show you what I have for now. Maybe I have. Okay, I have one more pretty nice sets. So recovery factor, it's not okay. It's below 3. So I don't know, I will try this one. Just a second. Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Okay, on the M15 time frame. So let's try this one. It's okay, and just check. I will check. Did I have also some nice testing data? Okay, I think these settings will be nice. I will check it. Yes, it's pretty nice set. Okay, on the H3, Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, let's check on the open high low close how it's working. Almost the same. So let's check this field: profit factor 4 more than 4, recovery factor more than 5, expected payoff more than 9, and Sharp ratio is more than greater than 3. So I think this set it's pretty nice. But as I say, I will work another, I don't know, 5 days to get better result. So that will be all for this video guide. So I will back to you with new video content soon regarding any other my EA. So if you have suggestion, if you want to see some particular expert advisor, leave comment in the comment section below this video. So that will be all, guys. Have a nice day.